Hey, check out this beautiful neighborhood located in Burton, Michigan. I just put a new listing in on Arrowhead Drive. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath, full finished out basement, 4-sided brick ranch with private backyard. We'll be coming up to it shortly here. Just want to give you a view of this quiet neighborhood located off of Court Street just before you get to Home Depot, between Center Road and Genesee. We are now coming up on the listing, as you can see over here, and nice neighborhood, very well established, and properties are pretty well kept here. It's Bentley School District, so if you are looking to buy a property in this area, give me a call. My name is Jim Sakalis with Keller Williams First. You can reach me at 989-800-2274. Finish out the tour here of the neighborhood. There's not a whole lot of properties available right now, so if you're in the market, give me a call. This one's probably going to go pretty fast once it gets on the multiple listing service. There's a good mix of ranch style and 2-story tri-levels throughout the neighborhood. There's only a couple access to the neighborhood, so don't get a whole lot of traffic coming through here other than the residents. And we're coming up on Court Street now. If I make a left, it'll take me to Genesee Road. If I make a right, this will take me to Center, and we're just around the corner from Home Depot. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hey, this is Jim with Keller Williams. I'm out at my property that I'm going to put on the market here shortly at 1282 Arrowhead Drive, Burton, Michigan. I'm coming out to help the single lady get her property in order, and she needs a little bit of curb appeal with some flowers and everything. So let's go check out the before. And here we are with this. So definitely need some flowers out here. Grass is going to get cut here soon. And then we got another flower bed over here, and one over here as well. So definitely get the place spruced up a little better. And then she's got some plants out here at the front porch, so maybe we can complement them a little bit more as well. Let's go check out the backyard. So we're at the backyard, and we got to get this cleaned up a little bit better, and got some beautiful flowers out back. And what do we got back here? Let's check this out, see what we can do to spruce this up. Not sure what's going on out here. This is kind of odd. Maybe we can salvage that, put something in its place, not sure what exactly. And then we got this fireplace out here, which is pretty cool, because we can definitely, somebody definitely, grill out here as well. So it looks like she's cut everything back for the most part, and there's some stuff growing in there. Maybe we can get that cleaned up as well for her. Okay, so we're back at the house, And as you can see, we got some flowers setting out front now, which looks a lot nicer. And I got this spruced up, but it still needs a lot of cleanup, but flowers go a long way. And as you come around to this flower pot over here, we got flowers in that as well. Waiting for the lawn care guy to cut the grass and really look nice here. And then we also have a flower pot here, and looks a lot nicer as well. And if you come around the back side, so we went ahead and put a nice flower pot here as well to spruce it up. But overall, it's coming together. This project over here, still working on that for another day.